Hello students, today we are going to learn factorizing the difference of two squares. Difference of two square means a square minus b square equal to, this is the formula, a plus b into a minus b. Difference of two square, a square minus b square. This is the difference. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We have already learned these identities. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Let 100 minus 9x square. 100 minus 9x square. We have to factorize it. Here 100 means 10 square and 9x square means 3x whole square. Here also difference between two square, 10 square minus 3x square. Then we have to write 10 plus 3x into 10 minus 3x, because this is the formula. Difference between two square equal to a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 100 minus 9x square. 100 means 10 ka square and 9x square means 3x whole square. So this is a square and this is b square. A square minus b square. Suppose 10 equal to a and 3x equal to b. Then a plus b means 10 plus 3x and a minus b means 10 minus 3x. Then another math. 9x square minus 16y square. 9x square minus 16y square. We have to factorize it. Here this term 9x square is the first term and 16y square is the second term. 9x square, this is a square in the form of a square minus 16y square in the form of b square. 9x square, 9 means 3 square, 3x whole square and 16y square, 4 4 just 16, 4y square. So this is a and this is b. This is a square, this is b square. We have to write it a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b means a means 3x and b means 4y. So 3x plus 4y and 3x minus 4y. This is factorizing the difference of two square. Another math, 2x to the power 4 minus 32. 2x to the power 4 minus 32. X to the power 4 is the x square whole square, but 2 is extra. And 32, here this is 32. So first we take common 2. If we take common 2, then here x to the power 4 minus 16 to the 32. 2 common, x to the power 4 minus 2, 16 the 32, then here 16. Now 2 x to the power 4 means x square whole square and 16 means 4 whole square. Here it is a square minus b square, 2 as it is. So this is a and this is b. We have to write x square plus 4 and x square minus 4. See, x square plus 4 and x square minus 4. Here this is also difference of two square. X square means x square and 4 squares mean 4 means 2 square. So here also we have to factorize it again, x square minus b square. So 2 x square plus 4 as it is, and this is x whole square minus 2 whole square. Again a square minus b square. So 2 into x square plus 4 and x plus 2, a square minus b square, formula of a square minus b square, a plus b, here a for x and b for 2, x plus 2 and x minus 2. Now next, same math, 20x square minus 45, 20x square minus 45, 20x square, this is not the whole square form, and 45, so 5 common, 20 and 45, HCF of 20 and 45, 5, 20 and 45, there is a common factor and 5 is the common factor, so 5 common, 4x square left minus 5 9 ja 45, 4x square minus 9, 20 and 45, there is a common factor is 5, so 5 common, here 4x square, 5 4 ja 20, then 4x square left minus 5 9 ja 45, then it is again a square minus b square, so 5 common, 2x whole square, 4x square means 2x whole square minus 9 means 3 square, 3 3 ja 9 and 2x square, 2 2 ja 4, x square, again a square minus b square, 2xa and 3b. So we can write a plus b into a minus b. This is the factorizing the difference of two square. Now another math, 4 number, 25 by 4x square, this is a fraction number, minus 1 by 9 y square, 25 by 4 x square minus 1 by 9 y square, 25 by 4, this is a square number, 25 is 5 square and 4 is 2 square. So 25 by 4 we can write 5 by 2 and x square means x, then 5 by 2 x square minus 1 by 9, 1 is the square of 1 and 9 means 3 square, y square means y, 1 by 3 y square. 25 5 square, 4 2 square, then 5 by 2 x whole square minus 1 by 3 y whole square, again it is x square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b, so 5 by 2x plus 1 by 3y and 5 by 2x minus 1 by 3y. Is it clear to all? Okay. Now next, 8ab square minus 18a cube, 8ab square minus 18a cube. See, it is not in the form of square, a square minus b square. 8 is not the square of any number, a is also not the square of any a, b square is the square of b, and 18 is not the square number, and a cube. So we have find the common factor. We have to find the common factor between two terms. 8 and 18. 8 and 18, there is a common factor 2. So 2 common, 8 and 18. Between 8 and 18, there is a common factor 2. Then 2 common and a, power of a, here power of a is 1 and here power of a is 3. Lowest power is the HCF of 2 digit. Then a is the common factor, 2a. If we get 2a common factor, then we can write 4b square minus 2 9 ja 18, 9 s square. A common, 2 4 ja 8 b square and 2 9 ja 18 a square. 4b square minus 9a square. Here 4b square, 4 is the square of 2 and 9 is the square of 3. Then 2a common, 4b square means 2b whole square minus 3a whole square. Again a square minus b square. 2a common, 2b plus 3a, a plus b into a minus b. Is it clear? Okay. Now next math. 3a plus 3a plus 5b whole square minus 4c square. 3a plus 5b whole square. This is already in the square form. Let 3a plus 5b equal to a. Total 3a plus 5b equal to a means a square and 4c square. 4c square is not in the square form. We have to change it square form. 3a plus 5b whole square minus 4 is the square of 2. 2c whole square. Then this term is a square and this is b square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So student, this is, if it is a and it is b, then a plus b. A means 3a plus 5b plus 2c and 3a plus 5b minus 2c. Here she, whatever number in the bracket, this is total a, means a square minus b square. The formula is a plus b. This is a plus b, a minus b. Okay, now next number. A square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square. A square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square. We have to convert it difference of 2 square. We have to convert this polynomial difference of 2 square. How is it possible? See, a square minus common b square minus 2bc plus c square. A square as it is minus b square plus minus minus 2bc minus minus plus c square. And this is one formula, b square minus 2bc plus c square. What is the formula? B square minus 2bc plus c square, b minus c whole square. So a square minus, this is the formula of b minus c whole square. This is the identity, b minus c whole square, b square minus 2bc plus c square. B square minus 2bc plus c square means b minus c whole square. Here it is b minus c whole square and a square means a whole square minus b minus c whole square. Difference of 2 square. A square, this is a square and this is another square, b minus c whole square. Now formula a square minus b square. Formula is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, this is a and this is b. Now we can write a plus b. A means a plus, we use bracket b minus c. This is b. So this one a plus b into a minus b. Then a plus b plus minus minus c and in this bracket a minus b minus minus plus c. See the math? How is it convert? A square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square. We have to change it in the form of difference of 2 square. How is it possible? A square is square. And we can see this is the formula b square plus 2bc minus c square. But we know that b minus c whole square equal to b square minus 2bc plus c square. Here 2bc is plus. But b square and c square both are minus. So minus common b square minus 2bc plus c square. Difference of 2 square. Minus common b square minus 2bc plus c square. This is the formula b square minus 2bc plus c square. What is the identity? B minus c whole square. A square minus b minus c whole square. Here difference of 2 square. A square is 1 square and b minus c is another square. So a square minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. We can write a plus b for total b minus c. Whatever in the bracket, b minus c is b. So a plus b minus c and a minus b minus c. So a plus, we can write a plus b plus minus minus c and a minus b minus minus plus c. Is it okay? Now next number. 4a square minus 9b square minus 2a minus 3b. 4a square minus 9b square minus 2a minus 3b. Here we have to factorize it by difference of 2 square. So here she 4a square minus 9b square. This is difference of 2 square. 4a square is 1 square and 9b square is another square. We have to change this. 4a square, 4 means 2 square. Then 2a whole square and 9b square means 3b whole square. After that minus 2a minus 3b. There is no square. So these two term is as it is minus 2a minus 3b. See 2a square minus 3b square. This is the difference of 2 square. We can use the formula a square minus b square. Then a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Same term 2a plus 3b, 2a minus 3b. Here also 2a minus 3b. Then we have to common minus 2a plus 3b. Here one term, this is totally one term 2a plus 3b, 2a minus 3b, and here 2a plus 3b, minus common 2a plus 3b. This is second term. Now in both term 2a plus 3b is common. In first term 2a plus 3b, 2a minus 3b, here also 2a plus 3b. And this is second term after minus 2a plus 3b, here also 3b. Then 2a plus 3b common, 2a minus 3b left, minus 1. So answer is 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b minus 1. I hope students, all of you understood. Now next. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus b square minus 9c square. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus 9c square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, this is the identities. A square plus 2ab plus b square, we have to convert it difference of 2 square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, this is the formula of a plus b whole square. This is the identity. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we can write a plus b whole square instead of a square plus 2ab plus b square, minus 9c square means 3c whole square. So we have to find a plus b whole square minus 3c whole square. Both square, difference of both square. Then formula a square minus b square. And what is the formula? A square minus b square. A plus b means a plus b, a for a plus b, plus 3c, and a plus b minus 3c. We can use bracket. So a plus b plus 3c and a plus b minus 3c. First of all, a square plus 2ab plus b square, this is the identity. We convert it a plus b whole square. This is the identity. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, and 9c square means 3c whole square. So here a square minus b square, difference of 2 square, and difference of 2 square means a square minus b square, and formula is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a plus b plus 3c and a plus b minus 3c. A plus b plus 3c and a plus b minus 3c. Now next. A plus b whole cube minus a minus b. Another type of math. This is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. This is the form of cube, but we have to change it in the square format. Means difference of 2 square. So a plus b whole cube minus common, this is also a plus b. See, this is a plus b whole cube and this is a plus b. A plus b common. In both term, a plus b is there. Here a plus b, here a plus b. Then a plus b common. Here a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square left, minus 1. After that, this is a plus b, and this is the format of difference of 2 square. A plus b whole square, this is already in square form, and minus 1 means 1 square. So a plus b whole square minus 1 whole square. Again, this is difference of 2 square. A square minus b square. We can use the formula a plus a square minus b square equal to a plus b plus 1 and a plus minus 1. Means a square minus b square. And what is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Here a means a plus b and b means 1. Then when we write the formula a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, then a for a plus b plus 1, a plus b and a minus b. Here a equal to a plus b and b equal to 1. So we can write a plus b plus 1 and a plus b minus 1. Is it okay, student? Thank you, students. In this class, up to this, in our next class, we will discuss again factorization of polynomial. Thank you, students.